Hello, I'm Brian Lasser, President of Xenix Software. Aside from its capabilities for testing applications through the user interface, Essential Test can also access other aspects of the target application through various APIs and interfaces. In this short video, I'm going to explain how to call DLL functions from the Z language in Essential Test. Let's talk first about some requirements. In order for Essential Test to be able to call a function from a DLL, that function must be exported using the stdcall option. This will ensure that there are no memory leaks when the function is called from Essential Test. The first step is to declare the DLL and list the prototypes of the functions that you wish to call. To declare the DLL in Z, use the keyword DLL followed by the name of the DLL. A function prototype provides the return type, if there is one, the identifier of the function, any arguments that may exist, and the name of the function as it is defined in C. Notice in these examples that the types are C types instead of Z types. More about that in a few minutes. Now that we have declared the prototypes, let's have a look at how they're called in Z. Although it is not a requirement, it is recommended to create a Z function that wraps the call to the associated DLL function. Wrapping the DLL functions make them easier to integrate with your steps and tests because the wrapper will take care of converting the C types to Z types and can also provide additional actions that simplify their usage. Let's take a look at an example. This function, XML find alems, is part of our XML library. Notice that the function returns a bool 32 and takes a number of arguments, including 2 of the type int32, which is not a Z type. The prototype uses the identifier C underscore XML underscore find alems so that the wrapper can use the name XML find alems, which is what the function is called in C. The wrapper simplifies the usage. Instead of returning a Boolean like the original C function, it returns the list of the names of the XML elements as strings. Notice that it requires only 2 arguments where the original required 4, because the Z wrapper provides defaults for the other 2. The Essential Test help provides a table and mapping examples to help you create Z wrappers. Once the wrapper function has been created, it shows up in the Actions Explorer and can be dragged into your steps and tests just like any other Z function. I hope that you found this short video on Essential Test's DLL calling feature informative. If you would like to learn more, please visit us at www.xenix.com.